Well guys, welcome to my BMW channel. This is my BMW 2010 335i and Le Mans blue, I believe, and it's a rare spec color. As you can see, the interior is what we call basketball red. It's called, most likely, I believe it's called a red fox color, something like that. Got some aftermarket rims on there, and I got a big brake kit, 3 pistons in the front, 2 pistons in the rear. Had a little bit of exhaust work done with I don't know if you guys can see the M, the carbon fiber on the outside covering the exhaust tips. I also have a rear apron done, or they call it rear diffuser. I thought it would look good with the car. I got the idea from the 335IS, one of my favorite cars, but it's a 2-door. Mine's a 4-door. Now let's take a look inside. Inside the interior, leather still looks great. Okay, I kept this. I kind of like this steel silver outline, but I changed these little strips from steel to carbon fiber all around. As you can see, the back is still that peanut butter type color, or should I say that basketball. It's really the basketball type color, which I love. This is a rare spec for this BMW, and manual transmission, of course. This is from the M3. Very difficult to make that fit. You have to do a little customization to make that fit there. And I also changed this to an upgraded iDrive button here. Not the one that only has the back and option, but I changed this also. I have to say, this car is amazing. I've driven many BMWs before. I've had a E39 M5. I had an E60 530. I've had a E46 325, and I have to say that this car gets up to speed like none of them. If there's anything else that you would like to know about this vehicle, please let me know in the comments below. And like and subscribe, thank you, and share the video, please. And if there's anything else you think I could do or you would like to see done to the vehicle, please let me know. Thank you very much. Thank you for viewing my video. See you guys soon. Bye bye.